infectious to me. Girl, you're so infectious to me. And I know, and I know, and I know you'll let me down. And I know, and I know, and I know, but I need you now. Something got a hold of me, wanna chase you like a zombie. I keep on coming back, oh, girl, I want your body on me every night and day. Every night and day. Cause something got a hold of me, and I just wanna get naughty. Like when I make it to the party, yeah. Get down on top of your laundry, you can have your way.
What's the
Gracias.
reservation name is?
How cute. This is the adults only pool. Well, we could have gone out the third floor, walked downstairs. Fish! There's fish! I can always see here. Dessert. Sushi. Let's check out the water. Oh, we're on the other side. So we are finally in Cancun, all checked in the Dreams Natura. We have a really packed schedule because we are here for a wedding. So we're all checked in now. We grabbed some food at the World Buffet. They have a great ceviche bar. Okay, we are here for a wedding, so I'm not sure how much I can show you, but I will try to show as much as I can. We have a pretty packed schedule and we're only here for about 3 or 4 days, and then we're off to Mexico City afterwards. It is so humid here that I am just wearing sunscreen, and I got lash extensions so I don't need to do any makeup. Just air dried hair because it's just too hot here. I shower and change. We're doing an all white outfit party and a bonfire tonight, so I'm gonna try to show you some clips of that. So yeah, let's go. So I have my swimsuit on and we're gonna go to the pool and just lay out, get some sun before some lunch. Alright, I am kind of in a rush because they had to move the wedding up, I think, to beat the storm. There is a forecast of a storm coming. So they moved the wedding up an hour, so I'm like rushing to get ready. Took a little nap after the pool. I got some sun. Pool time was really fun. I went down the water slide twice and I just kind of floated along on the lazy river. I wanted to do their zip line thing, but they only allow people with dry clothes on, so I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow. I'm gonna head down to the wedding now and I will show you what I'm wearing. A cute little look for a beach wedding. So let's go. little storm.